Hi there, this is our Colchester Student 1800, got the quick change on it. It's out of a Polytech, general condition is good. It ticks over nicely and yeah, it's a nice wee original lathe. So starting from this end, it's tidy under here, clipboard up there, light which isn't working, maybe their bulb's blown. Isolation switch around the back and it's tidy there. I'll switch that coolant on. I don't have any fluid in it, but I can hear that pump's ticking over nicely. There it is, running there. It's fairly quiet, you won't hear it. Tidy around this end and the front, it's got the emergency brake. Okay, we'll start from here. Tailstock lock's working. That coil's nice to operate in and out, and that lock's working there, and the taper feels good up on the inside there. Carriage looks really nice and tidy, hasn't had any crashes in there. It's got the tapered turning attachment and quick change on it. Looks as though it may have had a copying attachment on it at some stage. So carriage is nice to move. And so is that cross slide, and there's almost quarter of a turn there of movement. Compound slide's nice and easy, and hardly any movement in that. And the bed condition looks good for its age. Okay, we'll start it up and I'll run you through the feeds. Emergency brake, and that was forward, now reverse. So that emergency brake is working well. I've got the feeds engaged there. So those are the changes. Forward and reverse. So all of them are changing through really nicely. Okay, I'll engage that lead screw, heading that way. It's engaged nice. Change that direction of that lead screw, now back towards me. So that's engaging nice. Take you onto the feeds. There's the feed, the carriage is coming towards me. That's going in and out nicely. And over to the cross slide, it's coming back towards you now, off and on. So both those feeds engaged really nicely and was moving nice. It all feels really good. Okay, I'll stop that lead shaft there and run you through the gears. Starting from 22. 30, 40, 53. So that was the low range there. Take you up to the next one, 70. 94. 127. 170. 230. 305. 410. 555. Okay, third range. 745. 1000. 2 more. 1340. Last one. 1800. And in reverse. So those are the gears. It's all ticking over nicely, going in and out, and there it is. So there's not a lot more to say about the lathe. It's a really good example. It's got the quick change and tapered turning attachment. Oh, it's missing the wee clamp on the tapered turning attachment that goes from the tapered turning attachment to the bed. So someone, if they wanted to use that, will just have to make one of those clamps up, which shouldn't be too hard.